Now I am again with you with new video lecture, and in this video lecture we will discuss drawbacks of Niels Bohr model of atom. According to Niels Bohr model of atom, you know that the nucleus is at central position, and around the nucleus there are stationary circular orbit, and in these orbit electrons keeps on revolving around the nucleus. These stationary circular orbit are called discrete energy level. What? Discrete energy level, because it has fixed amount of energy. But according to another principle given by Heisenberg, uncertainty principle, we cannot determine the position and momentum of electrons simultaneously. We cannot determine the position and momentum of electrons simultaneously. So, how can we say that there is a stationary circular orbit that is fixed? We cannot locate. So, it could not satisfy the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So, we see here new concept of orbit and orbitals. We have concept of orbit according to Niels Bohr model. And the model that we follow is quantum mechanical model. According to that, we have concept of orbital. Now we understand what is the difference. Orbit is a well-defined circular path. Orbit is what? According to Niels Bohr, the nucleus is at central position, and around the nucleus there is circular path, well-defined circular path, in which electrons revolves. But according to the concept of orbital, the electron, where the electron is found, that is not circular path. It is not circular path. It is a three-dimensional space. Around the nucleus, the three-dimensional space, where the maximum possibility of finding electrons is called orbitals. So we have a new concept of orbital, and we have concept of orbit according to Niels Bohr, and orbit name is KLMNO etc. that is given in your textbook. Now, according to Niels Bohr, we have concept of orbit, and if we have concept of orbit, the position and momentum of electron can be determined simultaneously. That means we can determine the position and momentum together simultaneously at the same time. But according to concept of orbitals, we cannot determine the position of electron with certainty. We cannot determine the position and momentum of electron with certainty. This is the concept of orbital, and it is based on quantum mechanics model that we follow today. Now, the third difference is it represents the movement of electrons in one plane. according to the concept of orbit, the electrons around the nucleus move in one plane, but it does not satisfy the concept given by the orbital. According to this, it shows three-dimensional motion of electron around the nucleus. That means electrons can move in this dimension, and this dimension. And we have concept of orbital. So in orbit can be subdivided into orbitals. So in first orbit, that is K, the orbital is S. In L orbital, that means second orbit, S and P. Third orbit, that is M, in which S, P, D and F is found. S, P, D and N, S, P, D and F. Four orbitals we have, and there is definite shape of such a orbital. For example, the shape of S orbital is spherical, P orbital is dumbbell shaped, and D orbital is double dumbbell shaped. These shape you will have studied in your higher class. And F orbital is flower like. F orbital is flower like. So these are the shape of orbital in which electrons move.